Today we're going to make chicken chop suey. For this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces of protein. Today we're using chicken. You'll need a cup of stock. You'll need a slurry made from cornstarch and water, ginger and garlic, snap peas, sliced onions, red and green bell peppers, bean sprouts, carrots, Napa cabbage, and celery. For your sauces, you'll need oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sesame oil. You'll need a little neutral oil to cook with. Bring a pot or wok of water to a boil. Blanch 2 cups of your favorite veggies until done, about 1.5 minutes. Originally, this dish was made in American Chinese restaurants. It's called chop suey, and that translates to miscellaneous scraps. So it may have started as a dish of miscellaneous scraps, but these days you put in whatever your favorite ingredients are and you make this delicious stir-fry dish. Strain your veggies and set aside. Heat your wok to medium heat. Add in some neutral cooking oil. Cook your chicken until it's halfway done. To get a velvety texture of chicken, take a chicken breast and slice it real thin. Add a little cornstarch, cooking wine, a little salt, and a little bit of oil, and combine and set aside for 15 minutes before cooking. Add in your ginger and your garlic. And add in your stock. Cook until your chicken is about 2/3 done. Add oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and add in your vegetables. Add in your cornstarch slurry and let your sauce thicken. To finish, add a little bit of sesame oil. And that's our dish, chicken chop suey. It smells so good. And that's how we make this dish. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.